Ever been invited to a Microsoft Teams meeting but didn't want the hassle of creating a full account? Today, I'm going to show you how to join Microsoft Teams as a guest in just a few easy steps, so you can participate without the commitment of creating an account. First, locate the meeting invitation in your email. Click on the Join Meeting button. This will typically open your web browser, where you'll be given options for joining the meeting. You will see an option to download the Teams app or join on the web. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be joining on the web. Click on Join on the web instead. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your name. This is how you'll be identified in the meeting, so type it in the field provided. Once you've entered your name, click the Join Meeting button. You may need to allow Teams to access your microphone and camera. Grant these permissions if prompted. You'll now be in the meeting lobby, waiting for the meeting organizer to grant you access. This might take a moment, so be patient. Once admitted, you're in. You can now participate in the meeting, share your thoughts, and collaborate with the team, all as a guest. It's that simple. Now you know how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting as a guest, making collaboration easier than ever.